So the marine is red and then the green is the ordinary. These are their coco lumber. Coco lumber ni Dong?
Oh, coco lumber, ma'am.
Coco lumber. This is their bodega for coco lumber. Portland 225. Type 1. 22 gauge. That's 160 per meter per foot kani.
Kani siya kanang
I'm here right now in Gemini Hardware because I'll be doing an update of building material prices that is very much requested by most of my viewers, especially my OFW brothers, to what's the latest prices of the most common building materials like rebars, angle bars, C-purlins, plywood, wood, cement, and tar wires. So we're here to show you what are the prices, and we are here now on the actual place of Gemini where they stock all their building materials. 10mm rebars.
12, ma'am. 12.
Ang 10 sa 10mm tagpila
135.
135 pesos each. That's 20 foot length. Unsay pinakagamay nga rebars dong? 8. The smallest one that they have here is 8mm. Tagpila? 60 pesos for 8mm. That's how thick it is. Yang sunod ga, 9 is the next one.
95.
95 pesos for 9. Then you have 10 for 135. And then ang 12 mm,
195.
195 pesos for 12mm rebar. 16.
Gusto rin ano na yung kabilya?
16 ga.
16, 348.
348 for 16. And then mona na kinadakan ninyong stock. So that's the highest number of thickness.
Ano bro, diron man nimo?
Mga 18, mga 18. So 20 and 18 can be ordered. They have it pero kay presyo dito. Because this is the common one that most people are using here in the Philippines for just normal houses. But when I was building my castle before, I imported myself direct because I need so many of the 20mm and the 24mm. It's 1/4 by 2 by 640. So 1/4 is the thickness and 2 inches is the width. 20 foot long. Yeah, sunod.
316 by 2 man.
316 by 2 inch.
545.
545. Sige ga.
Yan. 1/4 by 1.5.
Okay, 1/4, 1.5. Angle bars.
480.
480.
316 by 1.5.
Yes.
365.
365. That's 316 by 1.5.
Tapos 1/4 by 1.
1/4 by 1.
Tag 348.
348. Then 316 by 1 na gano.
316 by 1.
Pila na?
260.
260. See, you can, it's just all well laid out. Kana, unsa naga 18?
Square tube. 18 by 1.
18 by 1.
Tag 265.
265 pesos. Mo na kina square tube. Mo ba na siya ginagamyan?
Ginagamyan mo.
Square tube is the smallest one. Pila na ga?
265.
265.
1.2 ra ni ma'am.
Yang thickness. Dili siya kuan.
Kini 1 by 2 nga square tube.
1 by 2.
Tag 385.
385 pesos each. So here,
Bar 1/2
flat bar 1/2
by 316. 98.
98. Ang round bar,
Round
na
bar
10
ma'am, kini ma'am tag
8mm na no.
substandard man ni ma'am.
Mao ba? Pero ang kuan kaning
Sa antina mo ma'am kini ang sa ato pictures kay mo 9 ra man guli. Kini mo ni kuan na mo tin tag 185.
185 kani unsa din ni 12mm
12 to 35.
235. So ang 12 mo na siya kuan go no. Mo na siya 235 nga 20 foot long. Dili na substandard ang 12.
Sub yapon.
Sub. Okay ra na eh.
Tapos uno nga GI
GI pipes
Schedule
1
40.
inch schedule 40.
tag 725.
725 1 inch and ang sunod
1.5.
1.5 inch schedule 40 gyapon.
1/4 pa rin ma'am. 1 and 1 port.
1 and 1/4.
1,045.
1,045.
Ni media 1
1 and 1/2.
1 to 30.
1 to 30, 1 and 1/2. Nya ang dako. Ang usa na, sunuran na lang ka.
Sunuron. Kani. Dos.
2-inch GI pipe. Kuan pila?
1620.
1620.
Kani wala ko gumawa ni.
Na lang.
3,000 na niya.
3,000 plus. Then the C4 lens.
Square tube pa ni ma'am.
Square tube.
2x4. 780.
780, 20 foot ang thickness. 1.5, 1.3.
1.3.
1.3. They're only
Square tube po 2x3 690.
690.
Ang 2x2 480.
So 2x2, 480. Kani?
Double paring pag isa mi ma'am.
Oh, for ceiling use.
Double paring tag 90.
90 pesos. Ang unsay tukod ana gang?
16.
16. Ang 1.2.
1.2.
Ang dako-dako,
Kuan, to ma'am, stud siya ma'am.
stud partition gapon.
Pero mabuo na siya 8 ra ni ma'am.
8 foot,
110.
110 each. Ang mubo bitaw gyud siya no?
Mabuo ni.
Kanita
Wala pa tay pang pwede kag di ka ganahan atong double na tay single kini.
single
Single
C4
paring.
double paring.
Kini ma'am, ano ma'am. Pareha di same price na siya ma'am.
Pila to
90.
90?
90 ra.
990 pesos.
Tapos si channel nang ya pwede mo gamit og double kini lang gamiton. 120 baga.
Wow. 120 pesos. Nga 20 footer. Sino?
Pareha ra.
20 footer. Kanira, this is the only one nga bubo mubo. Kani imong mga PVC ga
Kani mga series 500 na siya ma'am, number 4, 298.
298.
Oh, kani diri 298 tapos.
Mo ni mga baratohon no?
Oh, gratohon.
So these are the China cheap ones for just
Adi may Atlanta.
so ang
80 ang Chris,
580.
60 ang dos.
Okay, that's the Atlanta brand, but these are the China.
1,000.
This is series 500.
500. 1,000.
Series 1000. So Atlanta is the recommended brand for a quality PVC for your sanitary wares, no? Kani murag tunga yung presyo mo. Tana ang pila ang tubo nga kuan.
Kay kini siya 298.
298 for series 500.
Oh, sobra ka to nga ma'am.
Sobra ka tunga. It's more than double the price.
Ang number 4 ani siya sa Atlanta ma'am kay 698 man, sobra ka to nga lagi. Oh.
So you have to expect Atlanta is more than more than double the price of the series 500 because Atlanta is series 1000. So those are the PVC pipes series 500 and then the best is series 1000. Kanigang unsa ni? Door jambs. Pilang set?
1-2.
1,000 2x4?
Oh.
1,200.
6 kay 1-4. Kini mo 1-2 day ma'am.
Aha, 1,2. Kani yung PVC pila ni?
Sidor 1,350. 60
1,350.
by 210.
Okay, kani kanang dili kanang kuan lang.
Kani 70 for 1,650.
1,670.
Same price na siya ma'am.
So that's the hollow.
70 og 80.
Kana sa PVC door.
Dili lahi ni ma'am. Parang mga ina ni mga flash door mo ba? Kini same
kana.
price ra ni sila.
Sa flush door same price.
Tapos natin solid rin ma'am.
Solid doors.
Solid.
Kana.
Design na mo ba?
That's the design that they carry what you're looking at. Tagpilang solid doors. Ang flush door pila to dong?
1,650.
1,650, the same 60, 70, 80, and 90. Kani solid door naman eh.
Kani, depende sa size. Ang 90 mo mahal 5,000.
5,000.
Ang 70, 80 same price na siya.
So the same height to 10 standard no.
Yeah, design mo, wala na ram design.
Okay ra na oy. Pila na siya gang? Ang 60 ani.
45.
45.
45. Wala 60 na mo, gamay na kayo.
Gun start ani 70.
Oh, 70.
70 up.
Kaya 60, dire na mo.
Oh, gamay lagi kaayo. Mostly go sa 60 do no ila man ko anong kanang himuon na lang. Because I was saying the 60 with 4,500 for solid door. No kana eh. Kani sa dindot sa daga.
Kaya sa design.
So 45 ang 70 nya ang 80.
45 gyapon ni ma'am.
So the same na dag price tanan. 45, 70, 80, 90. Ang 90 na.
90 ray mahal 5.
So 70 and 80 45, 5,490. Mukuan sa mo 100.
O naa ma'am.
100.
Biro ni ma'am niya, ma'am Nora.
So you have to order. Kani pilay roll ani.
1,580 ma'am.
Pila ka meter?
kilo na mo ma'am na
Ah, pila ni?
35.
35 kilos? So, 1,580 for the singan ano barbed wire. Nya kani atong gikuanan, plywood.
Plywood. 3/4 marine, 1,350.
This is marine nga proper.
Marine.
3/4 marine. Okay. 4x8. 4x8 no? 1/4 marine.
Ordinary.
1/4 ordinary. So you can tell the marine kay puwa.
Marine 1/4. Oh, kuha mo.
Pila.
450.
So the marine is red and then the green is the ordinary. Pila ni? 450?
450 ma'am.
Kani?
Plyboard ma'am, 3/4.
3/4 plyboard
1,100.
1,100. And kana?
1/2 ma'am. 780, 1/2 marine.
1/2 marine.
Tapos 3/4 ordinary.
Oh, 3/4 ordinary.
1,298.
1,298.
Oh.
Okay naman ang ordinary plywood is it's okay if you're putting it indoors, but they recommend nalagi kay kuan ni hardy plex
Pero
like
ma'am, harapit mo.
oh,
1 na niya, 4.5 rin man, 1/4.
1/4
Tag 490.
490 pila thickness
4.5.
4.5. So 4.5 mm usually that's used for ceiling
Oh, sili.
ceiling because this is the standard sizing is 8 foot by 4 foot width.
Still mating ma'am, naka still mating.
Tagpilang silmating.
Kani siya 480 ma'am, bro nakal 290.
So ang 480 kay taas siya.
Philippines, dako gamay kato China.
So this is Philippine made. Pila 490?
490.
490.
Adria pa pipis ma'am.
Kani nga marindong.
Ordinary na siya ma'am, 1/2 tag 680.
680 ordinary 1/2 plywood. So there's usually a difference of 100 pesos if you have a marine and ordinary plywood. Unsa ga? For the steel matting 290 China. 290. Mas may mga Philippine made ga. No?
May egg pa niyang spot rin ma'am, dali na kayo.
Oh, easily bend. And then they have here. Oh, unsa na siya? Insulator.
Or magkisami ba?
Pilang roll.
Meter ang double. Nandiyo double ma'am.
Oh, double pila.
Double ni siya tag 40 ang meter.
40 pesos for single and the double
Double 75.
75. Dara imong mga Atlanta naman ni.
Atlanta number 3.
Pila? Dara
4,580.
580.
Oh.
Nagpalit pa ko diri. Oh, 580 good Atlanta number 3. Ang number 4
Number 4, 698.
698. So this is 1000 series. This is better quality.
260 ma'am.
So the Atlanta number 226. Atlanta is series 1000 and it's the more dearer one than the lower series like series 500 is usually more than half the price of Atlanta.
25.
Portland 225
Type 1.
type 1.
Tapos Grand Poso ma'am.
Grand Pozulan mo na akong paliton. That's what one I've been using. Tapila
190 ma'am no?
190. Oh, 190. Oh. Wholesale wall. Pila 190 gyapon. Wholesale and Apo.
Dili mahal ni ma'am.
Ang anong mahal man ng Apo? Apo is more dear.
Kuan ni kanang 235 ni.
Anong mahal mang Apo?
Mahal kay siya.
So this Apo cement is
Kato
235.
may kompetensya ma'am.
Kanang Portland.
Pagkarsada,
Kalsada. So they are recommending Apo cement for road and easily thickens, it easily dries up. So when you are pouring roads, kani mo ni pangkuan ni dong no? 190. Lagi.
190 deliver niya, 190 naman ni muha. Ito kay
These are their coco lumber. Coco lumber ni dong.
Coco lumber ma'am.
Coco lumber. This is their bodega for coco lumber.
Uno sa exploration na daw. 55.
2x3 pila?
2x3 by
10?
10. 125.
125. Pila di kay per board feet? Sige, isultin lang price yun. Ako rin, Queen, I'll just calculate how much per board feet.
Kaya sa guay. 2x2 by 12, 100.
2x2 by 12, 100. Ang uban pa.
2x2 by 8, 66.
So, 2x2 by 8.
88.
So, 6 by 8 by 10. Oh, pila tong by 8? 66.
66 ma'am.
2 by 2 by 10?
10, 88.
88.
Ang 2 by 2 by 12 mo ay 100.
100 pesos. 12. 2 by 2. So, 2 by 4. Wala ka. 2 by 4.
Naagya po ma'am. Daghan nagsukod ma'am.
Lagi, daghan kayo nagsukod. Mo lang by board feet jud ga. Na naray 2 by 2. Ang order.
Order na siya ma'am.
So you still at least we're giving you the idea of the pricing, and if you can calculate that for because the prices of coco lumber is going up and down per board feet. So we're just giving you what is available, what's the price available as of November 1, 2020. So next year it will be increasing. Ang imong good lumber dudong 22 gauge. Kana pila?
22 by 12 for 420.
420. 22 ang kuan dong, ang length ani pila?
Kuan. Ang length. Taso niya?
Oo, ang gitas-on. 12. 12?
Oh.
Yeah, ang
Gauge 22.
gauge 22. 20 yun, more ni inyo ha, gauge 22.
22, 24, 26. Di na ka makuha ng
Ah,
24 mo.
ay, nipis na kayo na 22. Oh, lagi. 22 na lang kani pila ba? Ang 12,
Ang 12, 420.
420. Ang G's,
Ang G's kay 370.
10.
8 to 90.
Oh, so 8 foot is 290. G's, 270.
3.
370.
Ang 12 kay 420.
420. So,
Makuha ng nipis.
ayo, uy, kay mabuang ko. Pesak, ang san? 50 pesos for per sack. That's the sack. Sand and gravel pala ang gravel gyapon ga.
Ma'am, 45 ra ba siguro hatag ni Ma'am Nura nimo?
Ay, nanguha mi sa pa uy.
Oo, daghan na bitaw kitraan tingkab.
Lagi. So he's asking me if like 4.5 for a truck, a 6-wheeler, 4.5.
3.5
3.5 cubic.
cubic.
Kani ang fine sand dong kanang inayag. Wala kay
5 ma'am.
5.5
By
50
sack,
55 by sack for the fine sand.
Pero
Sa-
dito nakagamit kay nayag naman.
Oh. That's 160 per meter per foot kani.
Kani siya kanang 1 by 8.
1 by 8.
1/8 by 3.
4 foot. Everything is 4 foot.
Bili 1/2 by 4.
That's 1/2 ang
300.
300 per meter. Kaning
Kani
1
1 by
inch.
4.
Oh. 1 inch by 4 foot.
195.
195 per meter. Ang kanang nipis ga.
Mosquito nga mo 60.
Mosquito man ba ang gamiton og kuan ayag?
Kato ma'am, 110.
Tagpila gana 110 per meter for the where they sift the sand.
Mga green ma'am, puro na nasa
160 for all the green netting. And then kanang mosquito tagpila gana ga? 160 per meter. Sige. So there you go. You have the idea of the pricing now of the latest pricing for building materials that we have here in Gemini. 1 by 1 about the length that they have for good lumber, which is S4S. Unsa gani siya nga kahoy dong? Eco 4 wood. That's 1 by 1 is pila? 75. Ang ang sunod?
1/2 by 75.
75 still. 75 because it's all just 8 foot. Yang dako-dako.
1 by 2, 90.
1 by 2 is 90.
2 by 2, 160.
160. 2 by 2. So there you
1
go.
by 4, 160. Yapon.
1 by 4 is 160. For tile adhesive.
By 3, by 8, 250.
So,
Pila kung 1 by 4, 2 by 4 ba? 350.
300.
300 isa man, 2 by 4.
that one 2 by 4 is 300 pesos. The length is 8 foot only. Plain sheet here, 22 gauge. Pila to ga? 190?
290.
290.
Same price ako rin.
Same like a corrugated. 290 for plain and corrugated. 22 schedule. For tile adhesive, that's ABC. Tile adhesive. Ordinary, dili ni heavy duty ga no? Heavy duty?
Dili.
Dili ordinary ra, ordinary. Pila to?
290.
290, and then the local
Tile
one,
Max is
Tile Max
260.
260. This one is Tile Max.
Oh, wala.
And then kaning skim coat,
Island ma'am.
Island skim 450 per sack. Ang white cement ninyo ga,
580 sa ako ma'am.
pila ka kilo ang sako?
Ano.
White cement na lang.
40 ma'am.
40 mura gyapon dai sin.
580 ma'am.
20 lagi ni apat.
Kani ko na patching mo na.
Patching compound. But the white cement is 580.
Oh, 580 ang patching te.
Pachinko ba?
480.
480. Ah, sige, tempa ha. So, this is where we buy it here in Gemini. Gemini merchandising is where we usually buy, and now you know the prices.
Kini gauge 16 rin siya.
Oh, gauge 16, tire wire is 60 pesos per kilo. And most of this, what you see here, has already been priced. No? Na 2 by 1 by 1, but the length that they have for good lumber, which is S4S. Unsa gani siya nga kahoy dong? Eco 4 wood. That's 1 by 1 is pila? 75. Anya ang sunod?
1/2 by 2. 75.
75 still. 75 because it's all just 8 foot. Nyang dako-dako.
1 by 2. 90.
1 by 2 is 90.
2 by 2. 160.
160. 2 by 2. So there you
1
go.
by 4, 160. Gapon.
1 by 4 is 160.
2 by 3. By 3. By 250.
So,
Pila itong 1 by 4 1 by 4 boss? 350.
300.
2 by 4.
that one, 2 by 4 is 300 pesos. The length is 8 foot only. Plain sheet here, 22 gauge. Pila to ga? 190?
290.
290.
Same price sa corrugated.
Same like a corrugated. 290 for plain and corrugated. 22 schedule. For tile adhesive, that's ABC. Tile adhesive. Ordinary, dili ni heavy duty ga no? Heavy duty?
Dili.
Dili ordinary ra, ordinary. Pila to?
290.
290, and then the local one,
Tile Max is
Tile Max
260.
260. This one is Tile Max. And then kaning skim coat,
Island ma'am.
Island skim, 450 per sack. Ang white cement ninyo ga,
580 sa ako ma'am.
pila ka kilo ang sako?
Talaga.
White cement na lang.
40 ma'am.
40 mura gyapon like
580 ba? 580 ma'am.
20 lagi ni
Kani
patching.
ko na patching mo na.
Patching compound. But the white cement is 580.
Oh, 580. Ang patching te.
Patching compound,
480.
480.
480 ma'am.
Ah, sige, tempa ha. So, this is where we buy it here in Gemini. Gemini merchandising is where we usually buy, and now you know the prices.
Kini gauge 16 rin siya.
Oh, gauge 16, tire wire is 60 pesos per kilo. And most of this, what you see here, has already been priced. No? Na 2 by
60 ma'am.